Hey everyone! Ever thought about starting your own business, selling cool stuff online? Well, Amazon is the place to be. It's like a giant online flea market, but way, way bigger. Millions of people shop on Amazon every single day. Think of all the potential customers. Selling on Amazon can seem a little intimidating at first. That's okay. We all start somewhere. The key is to find products people actually want to buy. That's what we're going to talk about today. So, are you ready to become an Amazon selling superstar? Let's do it. Alright, let's talk products. Finding the right product to sell can be a game changer for your business. The million-dollar question, maybe literally, is, what should you sell? It's a question that every aspiring entrepreneur faces. The good news is, there are tons of ways to find winning products. You just need to know where to look and what to consider. One trick is to think about what you already love. Your passions can be a great starting point. Are you a coffee fanatic, a tech whiz? Your personal interests can guide you to a niche market. There's probably a niche market on Amazon just waiting for your expertise. Dive into what you know best. Another strategy is to look for gaps in the market. This involves some research but can be incredibly rewarding. What products are people searching for but can't find? Identifying these gaps can give you a competitive edge. Can you offer something unique or better than what's already out there? Innovation is key. Remember, the goal is to find products with high demand and low competition. This balance is crucial for success. That's where the magic happens. When you find that sweet spot, your business can truly thrive. Now, you don't have to do all this research manually. That would take forever. Imagine sifting through endless data and trying to make sense of it all by yourself. It's a daunting task, right? Luckily, there are awesome tools out there to help you. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your business more efficient. One of my favorites is Jungle Scout. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to succeed on Amazon. It's like having a team of Amazon experts in your back pocket. Imagine having access to a wealth of knowledge and expertise at your fingertips. Jungle Scout helps you analyze product data, track competitors, and find profitable niches. It's like having a crystal ball for your business decisions. Another great option is Helium 10. This tool offers a comprehensive suite of features that can take your Amazon business to the next level. This tool is like a superpower for Amazon sellers. It gives you the edge you need to stay ahead of the competition. It helps you with keyword research, listing optimization, and so much more. From finding the right keywords to optimizing your listings, Helium 10 has got you covered. Trust me, these tools are worth their weight in gold. They can significantly boost your productivity and profitability. They'll save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. So why not give them a try and see the difference for yourself? Section 4. Navigating the Amazon. Tips to avoid common pitfalls. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground in our journey so far. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes new sellers make and how to avoid them. Don't worry, we've all been there. It's part of the learning process. First things first, don't try to sell everything under the sun. It's better to focus on a few products and do them really well. Think quality over quantity. Specialize in what you know best. Second, make sure your product listings are top-notch. This means paying attention to every detail. High-quality photos, compelling descriptions, and competitive pricing are key. These elements can make or break your sales. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. There are tons of resources available, from online forums to Amazon seller support. Utilize these tools to your advantage and keep learning. Section 5. Ready, set, sell. Your Amazon adventure awaits. So, there you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge to find amazing products and start your Amazon selling journey. Remember, success takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if things don't happen overnight. Just keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun. The world of Amazon selling is your oyster. Go out there and make it happen.